Hey everyone, Chris here. I am the owner of Creative Investing Club, and I'm sending you this video because we've either had a conversation about investing in real estate deals with us in our company, or you've already invested with us in our company, which I know is most of you. So we have another deal on the table. I just signed a contract about 45 minutes ago, so I wanted to get this out to you as quickly as possible. Before I do that, I just want to say thank you to those of you who gave me feedback on the last deal presentation we did. I've tried to make some of those updates in this presentation, but I do appreciate you guys taking the time to do that. So thank you. On that note, let's just go ahead and dive right in here. So this is the new deal that I just signed about 45 minutes ago. You can see the property there on your screen. This is a single family home. We, at the moment, only invest in single family homes. For those of you who are new and watching this for the first time, the purchase price on this property with the rehab is $125,000. One thing I do want to point out is we work with one of, if not the top general contractor in Kansas City on all of our investment properties. We do pay him well to have full-time access to him. And one of the big benefits that he offers our company is he is investor minded. So he buys his own investment properties and fixes them up. He understands the area in Kansas City very well. And actually, his wife is on the realtor side of things, and she's really connected to the Hispanic community, which buys a lot of our houses on those 30-year contract for deed notes that you're probably familiar with our exit strategy. And so we have a really incredible team, and I wanted to share that with you. It was something that one of you suggested that I spend a little more time really helping everyone understand why we have such an incredible machine, so to speak, running in Kansas City. This is one of the reasons, is it comes down to the general contractor. So you can see here our exit strategy on this particular property is going to be to clean it out, to do a market rehab, and then finance this on a 30-year note to the end buyer. As most of you know, this is our bread and butter. This is how we're able to create incredible cash flow with very minimal headache, because we're not dealing with tenants, we are dealing with buyers. And then what that does is that allows us to put you into the banker's position and take advantage of that increased cash flow, which we pass along to you by way of the returns that we're able to offer. You can see the loan to value on this property is 75%. What that means is the after repair value, we call that the ARV, is $165,000. Another way to look at this is we're getting this property at a 25% discount. Okay, let's get into the math here. So we are looking to raise the $125,000 to do the purchase and the rehab on this property. You can see there, I've got or a portion of. Perhaps you don't have $125,000. Maybe you've got, $40,000, $50,000, and you want to go in on this deal with another one of our private lenders. That option is on the table. Another point of credibility here to offer to everyone who's watching this maybe for the first time is that we have raised over $6 million in the last, about the last 18 months. We just in the last 30 days sent 45 private lender payments out of our bank account. And so I only share that with you to let you know this isn't our first rodeo. We've been doing this for a while now. We've spent, I should probably tell you, we've invested close to $250,000 into mentorship from other investors who do millions of dollars of real estate, a lot of them on a monthly basis in similar type model in markets, different markets around the country. So we've invested in our company to learn the strategies and the systems that really need to be in place to do this at a consistently high level. So hopefully that gives you some peace of mind if you're considering working with us. This is a tight timeline. You can see here June 3rd is when our seller would like to close. I can probably stretch that a few days if this is a deal you're interested in, and maybe you can't get access to the money until, June 5th or 6th, perhaps. I could probably stretch it into that week, towards the end of the week. But that is when we're looking to close on this deal. You can see the 12% annualized return. I should probably have interest only in that return line. Actually, I do right there, payment type, interest only. Okay, so your $125,000 or whatever portion you're able to bring to the table will be protected in the asset, in the home itself. We will take out an insurance policy. We will put you on the insurance policy as the loss payee. That way, in a worst case scenario, all of your money is 100% protected. I should point out, we've never once ever had to exercise the insurance policy on our properties, but we do go that extra step to take that policy out, just to hopefully give you some peace of mind that you are always 100, your capital is always 100% protected. And so after the term is up, the agreement that we make together on how long we're going to work together, after that term's up, you're going to get all of your capital back. And in the meantime, every month we're going to send you that 12% annualized return. In this particular deal, you can see there on the screen, that's going to be $1,250 that we will send you every month. And that first payment will start 30 days from when we close this deal. So on this current timeline, your first payment would be July 3rd, and then every July 3rd going forward for the life of our agreement together. And then you can see the protective measures there, the mortgage, the promissory note, and I did talk about the insurance policy. So I'm going to keep it brief and short today because that's really all there is that needs to be said. If you have any questions, you'd like to talk more through our operation, get a deeper understanding of how we're making all this work, please send me a text or give me a call there. My number's on the screen, 303-725-2299. And you're always welcome to share this opportunity with other people. In fact, I would be grateful if you would be willing to do that. All right. On that note, hey, thanks for your trust. I want you to know I don't take it for granted. And hopefully we can do our first deal or even our next deal together. Bye for now.